Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 range extender, the RE615X. This little powerhouse is designed to banish those frustrating Wi-Fi dead zones and give you seamless coverage throughout your entire home. Tired of buffering while streaming your favorite shows? Or dropped calls during important video chats? The RE615X boasts dual-band Wi-Fi speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, that's 1201 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 574 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, for smoother, more reliable streaming, gaming, and downloading. It handles more devices with ease, eliminating poor performance and weak Wi-Fi signals where you need them most. But it's not just about speed. The RE615X also features a gigabit Ethernet port, giving you the option of a wired connection for devices that need that extra reliability. And setting it up is a breeze. The TP-Link Tether app, available for Android and iOS, guides you through the process in minutes. Just download the app, follow the simple instructions, and you'll be enjoying extended Wi-Fi coverage in no time. This extender even features one mesh compatibility, so you can create a truly seamless Wi-Fi network across your home. No more switching networks or losing signal as you move from room to room. Plus, with its intelligent signal indicator, you can easily find the optimal placement for best performance. It's compatible with virtually every Wi-Fi device you already own, from older routers to the newest AX phones and laptops. Important note: this extender improves coverage and reliability, not necessarily raw speed. Think of it as expanding your existing network, not supercharging it. If your internet is slow, you'll want to address that directly with your internet service provider. So, are you ready to say goodbye to Wi-Fi woes and hello to seamless connectivity? The TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 range extender is your solution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. See you in the next one.